Why do vertical lines not have a y-intercept? Imagine trying to find where a line crosses the y-axis on a graph. Now picture a line that runs straight up and down. Have you ever wondered why it seems to avoid crossing the y-axis altogether? Well, let's explore that mystery together. A y-intercept is the point where a line touches the y-axis. The y-axis is the vertical line on the graph where x equals 0. When a line crosses this axis, the point of crossing has an x-coordinate of 0 and a y-coordinate that tells us how high or low the line is at that point. Now think about a vertical line. It runs straight up and down, parallel to the y-axis. Every point on this line has the same x-coordinate, which is a fixed number. For example, if the line is x equals 3, then all points on it have an x-coordinate of 3. No matter how high or low you go along this line, the x value stays the same. Since the x value of a vertical line is always the same, it can never be 0 unless that line is exactly on the y-axis itself. But if it is on the y-axis, then it is not just a vertical line. It is the y-axis itself. That means a vertical line that is not the y-axis is always some distance away from it. It runs parallel to the y-axis but never touches or crosses it. Most lines can be written in the form y equals m times x plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis, and it is easy to find because it is the value of y when x equals 0. But vertical lines do not fit this form because their slope is undefined. When a line is vertical, the change in is 0, and dividing by 0 is not allowed in math. This makes the slope undefined. Because of this, vertical lines do not have a y-intercept unless they are exactly on the y-axis. If they are not on the y-axis, they simply do not cross it at all. So, to sum it up, vertical lines do not have a y-intercept because they run straight up and down, with a fixed x value that is not 0. They are always some distance away from the y-axis, and since they never cross it, there is no point where they touch the y-axis to give us a y-intercept. This is why vertical lines are unique and different from other lines when it comes to graphing and understanding their behavior.